What's up, rhythm makers, beat shakers? This is MoniRhythm, your lifestyle chef, your wellness coach, your digital wellness creator. What is the purpose? Who am I? Why am I here? Well, let me tell you what MoniRhythm is all about. MoniRhythm is all about guiding women and evolving souls that are going through transitions. And the way I help is using digital assets, digital products that will help you to thrive in mind, body, and soul. So, welcome. This is Monty Rhythm. I'm so glad you're here and I'm glad you joined me. I have been missing. Whew, but I'm so glad to be back on the set. It has been very challenging. I'm overcoming some sickness, some illness. And when you do that, there's a whole repertoire of doctor's visits and all kind of wellness things that you need to do. The flu really tried to take me out, but I'm here. So let me do this. I want to have a talk with you because I want to tell you why I have made the shift between being a lifestyle chef and moving over to the digital world. Well, there are a number of things, and I'm not ashamed to admit it. I'm over 50. This is my second career change. This is the biggest shift. This is actually probably my third one because first I started out in the front of the house in hospitality. Then I moved to the back of the house being a professional chef. And then with the onset of my chronic illness, which is multiple sclerosis, if I have not shared it with you, I'm so sorry. I'm getting to that now. But with the onset of my chronic illness, I realized that standing on my feet, working hours on end, cooking over a hot stove, a boiling lake of water, salted water. You better salt that water, boo. Um, can be very taxing for me. And it can be a detriment to my health. Now, do I still cook? Yeah, I still cook. I'm excited about it. But what I'm more excited about is my future. There was a time, probably about 4 years ago, where I just, I, I really almost died. I was sick for an entire year. I was so sick, I lost 80 pounds. And I probably lost in all 100, but between going back and forth with balancing out what you lose, what you gain back, what you lose, in a year, I lost 80 pounds. That was quick. It was fast. It was not easy. I can honestly say I did not eat food for 9 months. That is not the way you want to live. So, with that, I had to sit back and think, what is my purpose? When you get to this age, when you hit midlife, um, a lot of things for me changed. When I hit 40, I like to tell people all hell broke loose in my body. Oh my goodness. I didn't know you could ache in places like that. I didn't even know you could get sick the way that I did. But now that I'm over 55, well, now I'm over 50, I'm 55. Double nickels, baby. I'm a dime piece. Don't forget. Now that I'm here, I know that I have purpose. It took me 4 years to realize that, but I know better because I've always taught other people, adults, young people, seniors. I used to do wellness coaching with people who were hospice survivors, where they were cooking for two people and now they're down to one. So there are a lot of things that I know about having purpose. And I want you to remember that you too have purpose. That's my high five. Come on, one more time. Boop! You have purpose. Even if you're willing to change, as we're going through this transition, I have found my tribe, my niche. I have found a platform and a support system that will help to sustain me in my digital content career. Before, like in 2023, I remember when it was all the craze with AI and everything magical in the tech world. Now, keep in mind, and I posted a video on this, since 2000 until today, the tech industry has taken off. It has boomed. It started with blogging. It went to YouTube creation. It went on, it grew to podcasting. I mean, everything that was old is made new, but it's made new in a digital format. We have become more wiser, we're more educated. COVID taught us we could do anything. We could do anything. There were people making things that I didn't even know you could make at home. There were people who were creating stuff and new streams of income. And here we are. We're right here at 2025 and we're still thriving. So when I found Royal Business Academy, oh, which I'm so excited about, I found, and that was just this year, I found Royal Business Academy in less, well, let me rephrase that. When I found RBA, I found my space. I found my support system. I didn't have to not waste time, but I could be more efficient at creating products that could help people live through their transitions of life, especially when we hit midlife, especially when we're making a change, especially when we're trying to figure out, how do I get through this? How do I get through this? How does this get done? How did I move? Am I doing the right thing? Am I too late? Do I need to learn more tech? And the answer is no. You're not too late. It's never too late to learn. And you don't have to be tech savvy. You don't have to be somebody who goes into IT and you got to study everything all over again. Find what makes you move. And I found that. I taught high school students for years, and I've always taught classes on cooking, classes on taking care of yourself, classes on etiquette, class here, class there. I have always been in the customer service mode. Nothing has ever changed about that. But the key thing for me was, how do I take my love of teaching, of educating others? I got to earn money. We all do. That's not a secret. So we all do. But how do I make it so beneficial for other people who I know have gone through far worse than I have? And some people who have not had to endure life at its hardest. How do we get ready? How do you brace for that? And that's when I decided to become a digital content creator. But when I started out, I wasted a lot of time. I wasted money. Woo! And I shouldn't say I wasted money and time, because sometimes that is the learning curve. Because I'm a hard-headed chick. I already told y'all. Girl. I already told y'all. I'm hard-headed. But one thing I know, eventually I will get to this point. I am thrilled to my wits' end at where I am right now. I'm looking forward to what life has to offer. Every day I get up. I get up early. I used to lay in the bed. I know it was depression. I used to lay in the bed and I lay there and I think, I cry, I pray, I sing, I scream. I mean, just not every day. It's not a good feeling. We don't need to have people out here in the world thinking they don't have any purpose, that there's no use for them. I want you to know, I want you here. I want you part of my team. I am here to tell you about the RBA experience, but I'm also here to tell you that I'm going to create more digital products and upload those so that they can help you along the way. I'm building out my community. I need to know who MoniRhythm's tribe is. I want you to subscribe. Please subscribe, follow, and also put a comment down. Tell me where you're from. You can just tell me the state or the country, but tell me where you're from. And also tell me what it is that you're looking to do next. What is your next? I had to find my next. That was not easy. It was painful. I'm sitting here thinking about stuff. It was painful. It was really painful. It was hard. I have a voice. You have a voice. You have something in you that's going to help somebody else get through. So I want you to join me. This is my plea. Go to my link in bio, visit my stand store, join RBA family if you want to start creating digital business. If that's what you want to do, put that in the comments. But I'm also going to put in there, I can't wait. It's coming in just a few days. I'm going to put in my rhythm room. I'm creating my community space. So while I had this time for away from you, and I'm not editing, I like to give you me raw. Stutter, step, everything, all the above. This is me. This is who I am. But I want to make sure that you know you have purpose. High five. You know how they be doing on the basketball court? They be like, we get so excited when we see teamwork. I get excited watching others succeed, to thrive. Y'all, this is $1 trillion business. It's what, 8 billion people on the planet. And Lord knows, I know I can reach at least 100 people. But if I get one, and that one person needed to be saved and told they were important, you are important. And MoniRhythm, I want you here. I want you with me. I want you to reside with me. I want you to connect with me so we can build out this community for people, for those evolving souls, for those midlife women. And men, if you want to come on, sir, we'll take you. I'm here. I'm excited. It was painful getting to this process. It really was. I learned a lot along the way. Some things I want to be ashamed about, but I just don't have time to carry it. I don't have time to hold it. My daddy used to tell me when he was, like in his 70s, and of course he passed away at 74. He used to say, I got more years behind me than I do in front of me. Well, I don't want to say that just yet. I want to say I'm stuck in the middle. In the middle, midlife, I'm right here. So I'm on a seesaw, but I have found my balance. I have. I will share more of RBA opportunities. But if you decide to join RBA, you can join with me at a low entry price of $29, period. Not a month, not a year. You pay one time. And you get access to over 6,000 PLR, MMR products. You get access to over 52 business modules. You've got trucking. And a lot of women going into trucking. And Lord knows, honey, I would drive that truck, but y'all don't want your girl driving on the road like that. But that's my kind of truck. I love it. Healthcare, nursing. Oh Lord, what else is it in there? I'm 55. My mind can't spin but so fast. But I'll share more. But as we go through the process, I will, you get in that rhythm room, your affirmation is going to come. You're going to have, the affirmations mean a lot to me. Because when you get stuck in this little hovel, like sometimes I do, you get stuck and it's like, oh my God, I screwed this up. Oh my God, I can't believe I'm here. Oh my God, am I going to make it? Can I win? Can I do this? Am I smart enough? The answer is yes. But affirmations are a great way to get your mind back on track. Affirmations are great because where the mind goes, the body follows. The head is the lead. It's the mindset. So, I'm MoniRhythm. I am a lifestyle chef. I am a wellness coach. I am a digital wellness content creator. And I guide women and evolving souls through the transitions of life. But I do it by using digital products because they are to help you thrive for your mind, body, and soul. With that, Please find me on all my social media feeds. I've got that in there. Subscribe to this channel because I will be back. I will be showing up. I've got what I need to sustain what I have started. And I only want to make it the best for you. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to learning in the comments who you are, the state you're from, the country you're from, what you're doing. But I look forward to seeing you glow. I want to glow with you. And with that, MoniRhythm, that will not be edited, I promise you. And with that, MoniRhythm says, come and see me. Let's glow. Peace and love.